1, 2, 3, 4. Folks, this is Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. How you doing, YouTubers? Today we're doing a cool song by David Bowie, Space Oddity. Cool. This has a lot of different parts, so get ready, grab a pen, grab a paper. I think we have like 5 or 6 different parts. Not for beginners. We got bar chords, we got all kinds of stuff. Alright, let's go. Standard tuning starts with an F major with A in the bass. To E minor. That's the intro. They fade up the music. Start singing, we're gonna go to C instead of F, C major. E minor. So this is the main verse. Okay, and then we have A minor. Grab G in the bass over A. F sharp in the bass over D. That's 2, 2 on the G, 2 on the B. Back to verse. Big chorus, C major, E7, F major, make F major minor, lift second finger up, C, F major, F minor, second chorus, back to C major. F major, F minor, C, F major, F minor to C, F major. Now back to the very beginning with A in the bass over F. E minor. Okay, now we have a new part that hasn't happened yet. We got B flat major. So you can play play 1, 3, 3, starting on the A string. A minor, G, and F, 2, 3, 4, and then we have the for the guitar. That's C major bar chord. So 8, and then bar chord 1, 3, and 5. 8, 1, 3, 5, 5. 8, 1, 3, 5, 5. And then big guitar solo. A over F, E minor, A major, C major, D major to E. Okay, now we almost have all the parts. Gonna be some repeating. Here we got the big chorus again, second big chorus. It's gonna be a little bit different at the end. Alright, here. Things are gonna happen. You hear A major tone. That's G to A flat diminished. So that's 4 E string, 3 D string, and 4 G string. A minor, and G over A, F sharp over D, to C major, to G. A over F. And then everything's going to repeat after that. Let's do that chorus right there. So F minor to C to F, and then G, A flat diminished, and A minor, A in the bass over A, F sharp, D, C major, and G. I told you needed pen and paper. And then A over F. It's gonna take us to the outro. Alright, now we have that B flat. A minor, G, and 1, 2, 3 bar chords. Guitar solo changes. A over F, E minor, A major, C, D, and E. And that's the end of the song, folks. It's the main strumming. Cool. Thanks for tuning in. What a wonderful composition. All right, guys. See you tomorrow. Take care. Be safe. Thank you.